Welcome back to another Dr. Carter Vet video. If you haven't done it yet, like the video, subscribe to the channel. We'd love if you take part. Leave a comment. If you have a question, if you have something you'd like us to do, leave it in the comment section. So this second video in this series is going to be a pig farm visit. And we have a lot of different levels of pig farmers on the island. Some are very small scale pig farmer with less than 10. Some would have maybe 10 to 100 pig farms, and there are people who have over 100 pigs on the farm. So we have protocols for breeding, whelping, as well as castration, a whole bunch of things. So here is just a look at what you do when you have newborn piglets. And every pig farmer should be doing this. So if you know a pig farmer, you can send this video to them, let them get on board. They could either get us to come, they can get the veterinarians to do it. Boom, check it out. Hopefully you like it. Getting a bit rowdy. 2, 4, 6, 8. Right, let me go and get some medicine in order and go sort them out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year first of all. It's 2022. I'm gonna go on my first pig farm for the year. I know most times we deal with sick animals, but in pig medicine we do more preventative medication. So we have some piglets. We'll have them up on the screen right now. They're only a few days old. I'm going to make sure everybody's okay. There's no abscess or infection anywhere. Give them some iron shot to keep them going, and hopefully it all works out. Yeah, if you're seeing this, it means I made it out the pen, yeah? See, I got me those special steel cap wellies. Use them to muck around in the bush more than anything, but let me get them out. So you can see all the cute piglets. Mama Sow in the corner here is a bit wary of me. It's not too noisy yet, but they're beautiful. They're only 3 days old, so they're gonna be getting iron shots. Who's taking a nice bath? Somebody having a nice drink. Yeah, everything nice and clean, everybody happy. So I've been asked a question by a young fella named Ishan, and it's a good opportunity to add some educational value to the video. So the reason why we're giving these piglets medication in the first few days of life is because pig's milk is very rich, but it's deficient in iron. So after a few weeks they will get iron deficiency, and as a result, after a few weeks the piglets will get iron deficiency anemia. So to combat that, in the first week of life we would give an iron dextran shot which has iron and B12, and this would help the piglets significantly. Dr. Carter Vet, of course, have a tested and proven protocol where we also deworm the sow with a secret medication and put something else on board, and hopefully we can follow up with a second video from these piglets and you'll see just how amazing they will look. 2 weeks later. Oh, little ones. Oh, little ones. So there's loads of birds in the background. Have what I need. So the reason why we're making this video away from the pigs is because as soon as I start walking, it's gonna be very noisy, yeah? So those are some smoothbill annies. But yeah, hopefully I get some good footage. I'm using the cell phone this time, and you'll see. Yeah, this is cocoa. It's not ready yet. If you like Grenadian chocolate, then you know it comes from these cocoa trees, yeah? Okay, so a cool pig fact is each piglet would choose their own teeth and then suckle it, and the man would call them in. And after they suckle in or feed, they hobble in the corner to keep each other warm and also to stay safe. So there you can see them. How cute is this? Of course, I'm gonna have to disrupt all of this for a second, but isn't it cute? Mama's always very wary of me. She knows I'm gonna come in there and cause a havoc. Everybody's been medicated. They're back in the huddle. Mama's always wary of me. She has a little treat. Get on in your huddle. Yep. We're back in that little huddle. How do you rate it, the experience, Mama So? Piglets? Yeah? Happy for your first vet visit? That's not blood that's on them, that's the marker from the iron. Just look at how, you know, pig has some of the richest milk in the domestic animal kingdom. Except it's deficient in iron, but other than that, it is very rich milk. What do you want to say? Thank you for my services. Yeah. Come and say hello. Come and say hello. Come and say hello. Yeah? This is the piggy went to market. This is the piggy still at home. This is the piggy don't say, "Hey, Lee, Lee, Lee. Lee, Lee, Lee."